Recently, many pictures of Harry and Meghan appeared at the US airport. Many rumors suggest that the US government may have denied their visas and banned the couple from staying there. Many people ask why US not allow this couple to live here. And where will they go to live because neither England nor America welcome them? Prince Harry is in trouble. Donald Trump is gunning for him over his US immigration status. I wouldn't protect him, Trump announced in an interview last weekend. He betrayed the Queen. That's unforgivable. He would be on his own if it was down to me. A Washington court is delving into whether Harry lied about past drug taking on his US visa application, after he confessed to taking marijuana, cocaine and psychedelic mushrooms in his memoir, Spare. If Harry didn't tell the truth, he could be at risk of deportation. There is a whiff of revenge behind this royal family saga. In an alternative universe, Trump could have been Harry's stepfather. Hilariously, he fancied his chances with Princess Diana in the 90s. Trump clearly saw Diana as the ultimate trophy wife, the news presenter Selena Scott recalled. As the roses and orchids piled up at her apartment, it had begun to feel as if Trump was stalking her. Diana felt cornered. "What am I going to do?" she asked Scott. "He gives me the creeps." No doubt Trump also makes Harry and Meghan shudder. On the upside, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex are in excellent company on his hit list. The Sussexes are a brand, like the Trumps. He doesn't like that. Trump, the ultimate narcissist, hates people who are as famous as he is and loves knocking him down. He has never forgiven Meghan for saying in 2016, shortly before meeting Harry, "I might just stay in Canada," where she was filming Suits, if he became president. And he flatters himself that he had a special bond with the late Queen Elizabeth because he adores all the pomp and pageantry of the crown. Conversely, Trump feels shunned by Hollywood liberals and scorns them in return. He has described Meryl Streep as overrated, and claimed Robert De Niro was a very low IQ individual, two favorite insults. During this month's Super Bowl mania, he reportedly told friends he was more popular than Taylor Swift and had more committed fans. The late-night television host Jimmy Fallon had a good laugh at that one, explaining that Trump did have more fans who have been committed. But there is method in Trump's madness. Hating on Harry is popular with his base. The Sussexes have become heavily entangled in US culture wars after an initial warm welcome. They have come to represent snooty liberal Hollywood elites, living in their gated Californian communities and taking off in private jets while lecturing everybody else about being kind to the planet. Meghan in particular attracts brickbats and the suspicion that she is angling for a future in politics, like her role models Barack and Michelle Obama. If they thought America was going to be a safe haven, they made a big mistake. Americans are losing their previously insatiable appetites for all things Prince Harry and Meghan Markle. In fact, many are no longer able to stomach the couple as they continue to open their royal traps and spill juicy behind-the-scenes details on the royal family. Harry's memoir, Spare, may be the fastest-selling non-fiction book of all time, but it's come at a cost. According to a new poll from Redfield and Wilton, Harry and Meghan have plummeted in popularity, in the country where they were previously well-liked. Harry now has an approval rating of -7, Newsweek reported, while Meghan fell to -13. While it's evident Meghan is less popular in the eyes of Americans, a quick glance shows that in 1 month, Harry's numbers saw a bigger decline, dropping 45 points compared to his wife's 36. The poll, which was comprised of 2,000 eligible voters, was taken 6 days after Harry's book hit shelves. About 44% of Americans said Harry was wrong to include details of private family conversations in the book, while 26% argued he was free to do as he pleased. Meanwhile, 2/3 of Americans had heard either a slight, fair, or significant amount about Spare compared to 34% who had heard nothing. Prince Harry and Meghan Markle have been criticized for warping the public's expectations of the royal family. Royal commentator Kinsey Schofield appeared on Talk TV and blasted the couple's oversharing of details about their private life that has twisted the public's perception of what we think we are owed.